about the vowels. We have 5 vowels. Let's study together the 5 vowels. We have 5 vowels. The 5 vowels are naughty letters. They are A, E, I, O, and U. The first letter we study today is letter A. The vowel A sound is A. A. And today we study the blend at. What the meaning of blend? Blend meaning I will put 2 letters together to make a different sound. Today we study the blend at. A and T. A and T. At. And now let's study some examples about blend at. Cat. Try to read together. What is the sound of letter C? Ka. And letter A sound A. Letter T sound ta. So we can read cat, ka, a, ta. Cat. And here we can read ra, a, ta. Rat. Here fa, a, ta. Fat. And here try to read. What is the letter M sound? Ma, a, ta. Mat. And this is bat. Ba, a, ta. Bat.